What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Shiba quickly, guys. It's gone absolutely parabolic. Now I know many of you don't want to hear this and probably give me some dislikes on this video, but it will correct quite hard eventually. We're up almost 50% on the day, sitting at 0.00077. We're sitting at market cap of 28.63 billion, 24-hour volume 29.05 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up. World's fastest crypto growing. I received $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. Look at this, guys. Absolutely parabolic. We absolutely smashed through the 2.618 and we're on our way to the 3.618 extension. Now there is another level of resistance that I want to drop in here on the daily. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the previous all-time high. We've absolutely obliterated the previous all-time high. You take your Fibonacci, swing high, swing low. We're going to stretch it out, and you can see here we're coming up to the 1.414 extension. So we may hit some resistance at this level here at about 0.00074. But if we do break through it, guys, do target the 3.618 coming in at 0.00083. I know the double Fibonacci is a bit distracting here, but it can give you your levels of resistance when you're in price discovery here. So we have the 1.618 pulled from our previous all-time high, 0.087, and the 4.236 pulled from this swing high down to swing low at a 0.0097. You can see we're getting extremely overbought once again for Shiba, and the last time this happened we saw a swift correction. So the correction will come, guys, and it will be swift in my opinion. When Shiba does decide to start selling off, it can come all the way back down to these levels of support here. So do target them. We have the 2.618, 0.0063, the 2.272 at 0.0056. You have the 2 at 0.0052. And we have this, I think this is a previous swing high. I'm going to pop over to the 4-hour time frame, the 1.618. Yeah, the previous swing high. So what can happen, guys, is we sell off quickly and we can come all the way back down to this level of support. Now, that doesn't mean that's what's going to happen, but of course it's a possibility, guys. If we do have this swing high as well at 0.0056, but you can see how overextended we are on the daily. So eventually we're going to come back down to the daily 20 EMA. All right, guys, give some future price targets based off our Fibonacci pull from this swing low to swing high. On this bull run, these are the price targets you could see Shiba reach. So we have the 2.272 coming in at 0.0013. And you have the 2.618 coming in about 0.0016. I would be very surprised for Shiba to get any higher than this level on this bull run. All right, guys. So it's a lot of fun. I've been taking profits along the way, but the correction will come and it will be swift. So for anyone trading Shiba, don't be hesitant to take some profits. All right, guys, because the correction can come quickly and it can come hard. So that's basically it for Shiba. Just a quick little analysis. Quick shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Smash the like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.